Welcome back, YouTube, with another video. I know it's been a long time I haven't posted a video, but here we are. And if your tires are looking like this, it's not a good sign. I'm going to show you how to replace the lower control arms quickly on this car. Let's start off by taking the wheel off, which we already did over here. And then we're going to remove the links on both sides. Make sure that way that's going to give us leverage to remove that bolt over there. As you see, it's right in the middle of the sway bar. Once you take the links off, you're able to move that sway bar upward, so that way we can get access to that bolt. All right, here's the link. $18 mil. Actually, sorry, 21. For the left side, you're going to need a cheater bar, a ratchet, and a cheater bar to crack it open. Now we're going to undo the right side. We have the 18 mil box wrench at the top. Then we have an 18 mil by the spindle right here. You might want to bang it out, put the nut in there first. If you have a center punch, even better. There you go. You can use a pickle fork if you want to separate it. I'm going to use a screwdriver. So the lower control arm is stuck in the knuckle spindle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this knuckle open. The screwdriver just broke. So I'm going to spread it open so this ball joint can be released. People are going to say, you don't need a pickle fork, but look, stuck in there. You're going to have to spread this open just a little bit. So it finally came off. This stuff was rusted on there. Kind of help banging it here. So I'm going to clean this up, and then we're ready for a new control arm. I already put the bolt in there. I didn't tighten it up, I just put it snug. I'm gonna go ahead and align these bolts. So the bolts were fastened up but not tightened yet. We're gonna leave them snug. Then you're gonna wanna put the lower ball joint into the socket. Now I'm gonna put this new bolt. I have all the bolts installed. Do not fasten anything yet. I'm gonna jack this part. I'm gonna load this suspension up to ride height, and then we're gonna tighten all the bolts. We got it to ride height. Now we can snug out tighten all the bolts. Now I'm going to release the jack, then put the links on both sides. And that wraps it up for this 2011 Nissan Rogue. This car will be getting new front tires within the next couple days. I will be putting the tools I use in the description box. Also, the part numbers I use for this Nissan Rogue. Again, guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.